The delay is a well-known effect, but sometimes you are looking for more options. That's when a new duct delay comes in. Hi, my name is Tom Wettstein. I'm a music composer, producer and owner of a mastering studio. This is the second video of our brand new plugin, the duct delay. In the first video we discussed the delay section. In this video I showed you how the effect section works. Let's begin with the filter section. The filter section is like a real tape delay, which means the delay runs through the filter several times. If you use a 6 dB high-pass filter at 1 kHz, the first delay signal will be attenuated by 6 dB per octave, the second pass by 12 dB, the third by 18 and so on. The filters add up. The cutoff frequency of the high and the low-pass filters are shown in the equalizer display. The same applies to the high-pass filter. You can choose from 3 different filter grades: 6 dB, 12 dB and 24 dB. With the LFO control you determine the speed of the modulation of the selected parameter. With the amount knob you define the strength, thus the amplitude. You can sync the LFO to the host tempo or save it in milliseconds. You can choose from the following modulation curves: sine, triangle, saw, rectangle, sample and hold 1, and sample and hold 2. As target parameter you will find delay time, low-pass filter, high-pass filter, band-pass filter, panorama. If a negative amount is set, the modulation signal is inverted. A sine then runs first in the negative direction. With the saturation control, you simulate the saturation of the delay signal and the coloring of a tape. With the distortion, you can overdrive the delay signal. You have the possibility to place the effect before or after the delay section. In fact, you have the choice between 2 different distortion effects. The diffusion button causes the delay signal to sound like the audio would be reflected off a rough surface. The 5-band equalizer allows you to manipulate the delay signal in frequency image. With the circles, you determine the peak frequency and the amplitude. By scrolling the mouse wheel or by clicking the right mouse button, you set the slope. If you press the Alt or Option key and click on the equalizer display, you will reset all bands to 0. To work more accurately, you can enlarge the equalizer. In order to do this, press the cross above the equalizer display. You can close the window again by clicking the same cross or by clicking Close at the top right corner. Thank you for watching the second video. In the third one, I will show you how to use the ducting section. Please click the link below the video for a free trial of the duct delay and have fun!